Hello students, good morning. Today we will discuss how to perform practical of diode characteristics. Before discussing practical, we first discuss theory. This diode is connected to a battery through a current limiting resistance R. Anode is connected to the positive terminal of battery. Cathode is connected to the negative terminal of battery, so this diode is forward biased. This voltage is increased in steps of 0.1, 0.2 or 1 or 2 from 0 to 1 volt, and then measuring the voltage across this diode by DC a voltmeter, and current through the diode is measured by milliammeter, DC a milliammeter. This circuit is redrawn in this case, and this is the potentiometer. Through a potentiometer, we supply a voltage to the diode, and voltage is measured by this voltmeter. Current through diode is measured by this milliammeter. Experiment 1. This is the manual, and object of this experiment is study of forward characteristic of silicon diode. Experimental need only patch cord, and this is the circuit diagram to plot forward characteristic of silicon diode. This is silicon diode, germanium diode, Zener diode, and Z. This is DC voltmeter used to measure voltage across diode, and this is DC ammeter which is used to measure current through the diode. First we make the connection. Positive terminal of DC ammeter is connected to TP1, then negative terminal is connected to the TP10. It means that this DC ammeter is connected in series with the diode. Similarly, this voltmeter, for this voltmeter, positive terminal is connected to TP3 and negative terminal is connected to the TP11. This voltmeter is connected in parallel with the diode. This is the knob from which we set the reading of set the range of voltmeter, and this voltmeter is set at 20 volt range, and this DC ammeter is set at 200 milliampere range. After setting these ranges, we switch on the power supply, and by this knob we start increasing the voltage across the diode, silicon diode. And when we increase the voltage across the diode, voltage is measured by DC voltmeter, and current through the diode is measured by DC ammeter, and this is the observation table for forward bias characteristic. Voltage is increased in steps of 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.6, and corresponding current is measured by DC ammeter, and all readings are written in this observation table. Then we draw the VI characteristic. VI characteristic is like this characteristic. Current is drawn on y-axis, voltage is drawn on x-axis, and we get a curve like this. This is theoretical characteristic of diode, forward characteristic of diode. The next experiment, study of reverse characteristic of germanium diode. This is the circuit. used for plotting reverse characteristic of germanium diode, and all the connections are same as in case of forward characteristics. Simply this connection is changed to this point. In this case, this and this cathode is connected to the positive terminal. So this is reverse bias germanium diode, and all connections are same, but range of voltmeter is set at 20 volt, and in case of DC ammeter, range is set at 200 microampere. 200 microampere because it is this practical is for reverse biasing, and reverse biasing range of current is small. So set the ammeter at 200 microampere and switch on the power supply, and here 1 volt, 2 volt, 3 volt, and corresponding values of diode current is noted in this observation table. And after noting voltage and current, we draw a characteristic, reverse characteristic between I and V, and this is the theoretical characteristic of germanium diode. And in your lab file, you can write, this is the format of writing your practical in your lab file. Experiment 1, object, plot VI characteristic of PN junction diode, calculate cut-in voltage, reverse saturation current, static and dynamic resistance. Apparatus needed, diode characteristics, trainer kit, connecting leads, then write theory, procedure, observation table for forward bias serial number, voltage and current, reverse bias serial number, voltage and current, then plot the graph and result, cut-in voltage, write the cut-in voltage, reverse saturation current, static resistance and dynamic resistance, then write down precautions. Second experiment is characteristic of Zener diode. Zener diode. This is Zener diode. This Zener diode is forward bias because cathode is connected to positive and this anode is connected to negative. Forward bias, and circuit diagram is also same, and characteristic is study of characteristic of Zener diode, forward bias and reverse bias, experimental lead dashboard, and circuit diagram and circuit connection. All connections are same. We simply change the diode. In place of PN junction diode, we use Zener diode. Positive is connected to this terminal, negative is connected to CP10. Similarly, this positive is connected to CP3 and this negative is connected to CP11. Range is set at 20 volt. Here range is set at 200 milliampere, and then switch on the power supply. This is the observation table for 0 volt, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4. Write down the diode current and draw the plot between I and V. Forward characteristic. To plot reverse characteristic, we simply change this connection to this point, and all the connections are same. Range is set at 10 volt, and here range is set at milliampere, 200 milliampere, and then switch on the power supply and note down the voltage and current, 1 volt, 2 volt, 3 volt. In reverse characteristic, we increase the voltage in steps of 1 volt, and in forward characteristic we increase the voltage in range of 0.1 volt, 0.2 volt, and draw the reverse characteristic. In your lab file, you write experiment 2 object, plot the VI characteristic of Zener diode, find its breakdown voltage, apparatus required, diode characteristic planar kit, connecting leads, then write theory, procedure, observation table, result, graph between V and I is plotted, breakdown voltage is there, and then precaution. Wait for a minute, I will show the video of practical of PN junction diode and Zener diode.
Hello students, good morning. Today we will perform experiments of diode. This is the experimental kit. This is the experimental kit on which we perform the experiment of diode. This is the circuit of diode. Object of this diode is study of forward characteristic of silicon diode. Experiments needed only patch cords. This is the circuit used to plot forward characteristic of silicon diode. This diode is silicon, this is germanium diode, and this is Zener diode, and this is Zener diode. Before making connection, first we discuss theory of diode. In this diode, this anode is connected to the positive terminal of battery through a current limiting resistor, and this anode is connected to the negative side of battery. So this diode is forward bias, and in this diode this voltage is increased from 0 volt to 1 volt. When we increase the 0 to 1 volt, we measure the voltage across this diode by this voltmeter, and current through the corresponding current through the diode is measured by this milliammeter. This milliammeter is connected in series, and voltmeter, DC voltmeter, is connected in parallel. This circuit is redrawn in this circuit, and this is the potentiometer. This positive terminal of this battery is connected to the anode, and negative terminal battery is connected to the cathode. Voltage is connected across this diode, and millimeter is connected in series with diode. Then we make connection. In making connection, we simply connect this positive terminal of DC voltmeter to TP4, and this negative terminal to the TP10. So this milliammeter is connected in series with this diode. Similarly, DC terminal of this battery is connected to the TP3, and this negative terminal is connected to the TP11. So this voltmeter is connected across this diode, and we rotate this potentiometer fully anti-clockwise fully anti-clockwise, so it provides only 0 volt to the diode. 1 minute. When we rotate this potentiometer fully anti-clockwise, this potentiometer provides 0 volt across this diode. And after making connection, we switch on the power supply, and from this potentiometer we increase the value of voltage across diode from 0 volt to 1 volt in steps of 0.1 volt. Means when we increase this voltage, we measure the corresponding reading of voltage by this DC voltmeter, and corresponding current through the diode is measured by DC ammeter. This DC voltmeter is set at 20 volt, and this milliammeter, DC millimeter, is set to 20 milliampere. And when we increase the value of voltage across diode, corresponding voltage is measured by DC voltmeter, and corresponding current through the diode is measured by DC ammeter. This is the forward characteristic of diode. For voltage of 0 volt, current is 0. When we increase the voltage 0.1 volt, then we measure the corresponding current. When we increase the voltage to 0.2 volt, we measure the corresponding current, and we draw a plot between I and V. This is known as forward characteristic of diode, and we draw a curve like this. This is the theoretical curve, and this is forward characteristic of PN junction diode. For reverse characteristic, all connections are same. We simply change this connection to this connection, and in this case positive, this in this case if we change, then positive terminal or anode is connected to the negative terminal, and this cathode is connected to the positive terminal through a current limiting resistor R. And all the experiment is same, only we change the range of this DC ammeter, and it is set at 200 microampere. Then we increase the voltage from this knob in the steps of 1 volt, 2 volt and 3 volt, and corresponding voltage is measured by DC voltmeter, and corresponding current through the diode is measured by DC ammeter. And we draw the reverse characteristic of germanium diode between I and V, which is theoretically which looks like this. This is the reverse characteristic of PN junction diode, and this is the theoretical reverse bias characteristic. Hello students, good morning. Today we will perform an experiment on Zener diode. The object of Zener diode is study of characteristic of Zener diode, forward characteristic and reverse characteristic. Equipment needed, patch cord. This is the circuit diagram used for drawing different characteristic of Zener diode, and this is the connection for Zener diode. Here for Zener diode, for drawing or studying the forward characteristic of Zener diode, we make this positive, we connect this positive terminal to TP8, and this negative terminal is connected to TP 10. It means that this DC ammeter is connected in series with the Zener diode, and this voltmeter positive terminal is connected to TP3 and negative terminal is connected to TP11. It means that this voltmeter is connected in parallel with Zener diode, and we rotate this fully anti-clockwise to provide 0 volt across this Zener diode. This DC voltmeter is set at 20 volt and DC ammeter is set at 200 milliampere. Then we increase the value of the value of voltage by potentiometer in steps of 1, 2 and this, and measure the voltage across diode by DC voltmeter, and current through the diode is measured by this DC ammeter. And then we take the reading of, this is the observation table. First, voltage across diode is 0 volt, then 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, and corresponding current is measured by DC ammeter, and here all the readings are written in this column. Then we draw a forward characteristic between current and voltage. This is the theoretical forward characteristic of Zener diode. For reverse characteristic, all connections are same, but we change this connection to this point. In this case, this Zener diode is reverse bias, and by increasing the value of voltage across diode by this potentiometer, we measure the value of voltage and corresponding current through the diode by this DC ammeter, and then draw a characteristic between I and V, which is this is the reverse bias characteristic of Zener diode. And thank you.
Hello. Hope you all will understand how to perform diode characteristic practical. Write these 2 practicals in your lab file, leaving the empty observation table. Thank you.